As you can see, it just completed the rinse. Now we're going to see if it pumps out without making any noise. Should be any minute now. It pumped out the wash water without making any noise, and it ran and spun without making any noise. There we go. And it spun really fast as well. There's the water coming out. Still emptying out. It sounds like a normal washer. And by the way, that's my new WRX. I hope everybody likes it. My wife likes it, I think. Got a really cool black thing on the back. Back to the washer. As you can see, it's not overloaded. Might have used a little bit too much soap. I think we only need a little bit of soap. Water's almost all out. Yeah, that's about the last of it. It'll clunk into gear here and start spinning, so you don't have to shut the phone off to hold on to it with two hands. Still sounds pretty normal. There we go. It stopped. It's getting ready to spin. There we go. It's rinsing. It's a little hard to hold. It's going a lot faster than it used to. I gotta shut this off now.